Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have recently had a problem with my car. It started slowly. As soon as I turn on the rear window wiper, the rear window defroster switch also turns on. When I turn the rear window wiper switch off, the rear window defroster turns off as well. As soon as I press the rear window defroster switch, the rear window defroster turns on, but the rear window wiper also turns on. This means that two positive wires are connected, and as soon as a positive current is applied to one wire, both circuits are activated simultaneously. Because both circuits are connected to the trunk, I suspect that the wiring in the trunk seal is damaged. That is the first thing I'm going to check. It is a closed seal rubber, so I have to cut it open a bit. I already see the problem here. Wires are damaged. This isn't an ideal location to carefully and properly repair the problem because the wires are very short. I will fix this the quick way. I am using some new cable locks, electrical tape and heat shrink tubing. I use them to make a temporary repair first. Okay, there is a better way to fix this nice and clean, but for now it's good. I will first seal the rubber as tightly as possible with electrical tape. Let's check if everything is working as it should again. Both circuits now work independently again. When I turn off the rear window wiper switch, the rear window defroster switch stays on, as is normal for this car. And then this job is done for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time.